So hello guys, welcome to my channel. How would you like to create stunning pictures, images like you have just seen a few seconds ago? If you so desire to create such images, especially if you are into folk tale stories or any other thing that you need images for, guys, let me walk you through how you can create this kind of images just by text, describing by with the text, and voila, these images will come to life within seconds, guys. And the good thing about this site, this app, is that you don't really have to sign in to get to use use the features in the app. Signing in is optional for this app. So guys, without much ado, let's go straight into the video. So let's go to Google and type in VHEER. That's V here AI. Click on that, guys, and it takes you. So click here, and there you are. So guys, I am already signed in. So that's if you want to sign in. You don't have to sign in or log in before you start making use of the features that this app has for you. But if you want to sign in, it's also good because you'll get even more benefits. So, but without much ado, now let's just explore a little bit of what is available on this app. This app is wonderful. It's as good as Chat GPT. So it has text to image, meaning you text what you want in the box and your image comes live, or image to image. Like you have an image and you want to improve on that image, it can be done with this app. Or you have an image and you want to animate it, turn it into a video, the option is here. And also context editor, so you also have editing tools. So guys, that's just a few of what this app has for you. But today we want to try the text to image. So let's go here. So we want text to image generator. So you click on this one. So let's scroll down. We go to here, generate image from text. You click on this one. Okay, so voila, here is the page where you can text what you want and the image will come. So like all those pictures that you saw earlier in the video were created by this app. So all you need to do is just type here. Let's scroll up a bit. So you type into this space what you want, what kind of image you want to create. So let me try typing in something into this box. Okay guys, see what I typed. Create a black African pretty lady wearing big frame transparent glasses, sitting on a chair, looking straight at a laptop in her front on a desk. And comma. Oh my god, hold on guys. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, one thing I also need to remind you, whenever you text anything in that box, always try to copy it first before you go ahead, because it may disappear. You may mistakenly press on something and the whole stuff you typed will disappear and you have to type it all over again. So always copy it out first before you go ahead. Now we have, typed in something. You can read that. It says, create a black African lady wearing a big frame transparent glasses, glaring at an open laptop placed in front of her on a desk in an office setting background. So guys, let's see what V here is going to do for us with this text. So you scroll down like where for the free option here. So like you have no business with pro model or max model. So we are, oh, that reminds me, guys, you have to choose your aspect ratio. Let's go for, okay, you either want to go for 9:16, which is for shorts, or 16:9, which is for YouTube videos. Let's go for this one. Okay, so as you can see, aspect ratio is 16.9. Now guys, click on generate. Once that start moving, here you can see, says here your request is being processed, blah blah blah. So you can see that it's being processed here. So guys, you have to wait till the processing is done and you will see it here that it is done. So let's wait a little. Guys, voila, here is our email. Oh, this is beautiful. This is good. I think this is good enough, right? Okay, so you can tweak your text as you like. Should in case, okay, what I typed here, I'm not satisfied with what I get, I can tweak the text and it will, and go back to generate down here and it will generate another image for you. But this is fine, guys. I like this. And from what I see, there are two laptops here. Why is that? Okay, guys. Anyway, so guys, can you see that this V here can do wonders? That is just one of many things that this app can do for you.